Hi guys, so I'm Sid Sottung, so I'm here today to talk about a few bit tricks and hints about working with 90-degree layering, and especially something called square layering, where we use a lot in barbering, especially to try and create more of a masculine look. Now for today, now on my beautiful model here, I'm going to be working especially in the crown area to try and keep a square shape. Because what happens, a lot of barbers, they tend to round off that crown. So in order to keep a corner, you'll see what I'm about to do. Now, in this case, I'm actually going to be working on dry hair. Now, this is something that you can do when the hair is either wet or dry. So depending on what you're trying to achieve. For today, with the mannequin head, we're going to be working on dry hair. So the key thing is I'm going to be taking a vertical section like so. Now I'm going to come up, and the key thing is here, you can actually have the comb flat against and then come up like so. Okay, I want to keep my fingers pointing straight to the ground, my elbow as high as possible. Now making sure that I'm cutting it over my fingers, keeping this up. I'm going to be combing this quite a few times, making sure that it's being pulled straight out from the head. Yeah. Making sure that this is blending into the previously cut hair. There we go. So keeping this nice and square, you'll see when I pull the hair like so, it's going to have a bit of a corner. And that's what we want. Now if the corner is too much for you, what you can do, you can go back in and you can work with point cutting just to soften that corner so it's not so obvious. So guys, so that's a little trick of making sure that we are keeping this a bit more square to keep more of a flatter shape, is making sure your fingers are pointing straight to the ground, keeping your elbow up high and combing it straight out. Alright guys, so I'm Sid Sottung, and it's one of my tricks of today that's just to really help you to make sure that we're creating a bit more flatter looks for your barbering clientele.